In this video and also the next, we'll be looking at two ways to get up and running with WordPress on our computer, so we can begin to create themes and test them out. Alternatively, if you have a live hosting provider and would rather use this, feel free to go ahead and do that. This video is going to cover getting set up with a service called Local by Flywheel, which is at localbyflywheel.com. And in the next video, which is optional, we will cover installing and setting up MAMP as an alternative. I would recommend following along with this video rather than the next, especially if you are a beginner, since MAMP can cause problems for a lot of people, but this is up to you. Let's get started over by going over to the home page. There are paid versions for teams and agencies, but we just need the free community edition, which is available for Mac and Windows. Flywheel allows us to quickly set up WordPress projects on our computer really easily, and also takes care of setting up the server and database for us. It has lots of great features. We can view our site and also the admin section at the click of a button. We can also generate a live link to view our project anywhere online and also to share with others, along with lots of more advanced features, such as the ability to set up WordPress multi-site and so much more. To get started, we can click on the download link, which is just here, or up at the top here, and then choose which platform you would like, enter your details, and then click on Get It Now. This download may take a few minutes, so I will return back once this has completed. Once Local has finished downloading and you've gone through the installation for your machine, you should be taken to a similar looking startup screen that we have here. This is just with a sample test site, which comes with the download, but we need to go down to this plus icon down at the bottom to create our new site. and open it up on your mobile device in a different browser, or you can also share this link with family and friends to show your progress. So if you're at this stage, we're now good to go with creating our WordPress site and beginning our theme conversion from Bootstrap. So I'll see you now in the next section where we'll begin this process.